Hello everyone, welcome to Vegan Life in Trivandrum. In today's video, we'll be learning recipe of vegan chocolate, and it is made with this 4 ingredients, which is going to be very different from what you see on internet. All you need is 1 cup of cashews, 3/4 cup of jaggery powder, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, and 1/4 cup of water. Let's begin the process of making cashew powder. We will put these cashews in chutney grinder and pulse it just couple of times to get fine cashew powder. Now if you grind the cashew powder more than required, then it will start becoming cashew butter. For this recipe, for sure we don't need cashew butter, so please be very careful while doing this process of making cashew powder. Just pulse it for twice for let's say 5 seconds. So as you can see in the video, we are pulsing it 2 times and our cashew powder for the recipe is ready to use. On the gas stove, I have taken a thick bottom vessel to which I have added the jaggery powder and water for the recipe. Make sure you take thick bottom vessel, otherwise the mixture will get stuck at the bottom and we won't get the desired result. Keep stirring the mixture till we get bubbles. Once the bubbles start forming, we need to check for one string consistency. So we have to keep checking this every now and then. Now this is the one string consistency I am talking about. As soon as you get this, you need to put the cashew powder and the cocoa powder. Now cashew nut is the nut which is closest to milk powder in taste, or if you make cashew milk is closest to the milky taste of the animal milk or the packet dairy milk that we drink. That's why I'm using cashew powder in this recipe to give that milk chocolate flavor. That is the main idea of this channel. Through all the videos, I try to show my audience how you can live a very fulfilling life by substituting the animal products with the plant-based or the vegan products and live a very fulfilling life. So please consider going vegan and try these recipes. Also, these are on the healthier side. I have not used a single drop of oil. I have just mixed all the ingredients, 4 ingredients I showed in the beginning, that is water, cocoa powder, cashew and jaggery. You don't have any preservatives in this, no other flavoring substance. You can make this healthy recipe for all your dear and near ones at home with this much ease. Now once we have taken out the mixture on the greased plate, you can make it flatten like this with the rolling pin and give it a shape when it is hot only. Don't let it cool, otherwise it won't you won't be able to give this kind of shape. So flatten it and then give it a shape which you like. I'm flattening it till it becomes 1/2 inch thick. The sides we can flatten with the help of a knife and give it a rectangular shape. This chocolate recipe is my family's favorite. As soon as I make this, this whole bar gets over within no time. Once you are done giving shape with knife, we will allow it to cool for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, now is the time to cut the chocolate bar into pieces. You can give shapes of your choice. Here I am giving square pieces just like the one you get in the market. Once you are done making the pieces of the chocolate bar, you can store these pieces in an airtight container outside at room temperature. No need to store this chocolate in the fridge. So now enjoy each piece of your vegan dairy milk chocolate. Doesn't it look like dairy milk? For more such videos, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. Bye and take care.